Top 4 Reliability-Centered Maintenance. A defect in a pharmaceutical drug can affect several thousands of people taking it potentially. There are 4 principles that are critical for a reliability-centered maintenance program. The primary objective is to preserve system function. Identify failure modes that can affect the system function. Prioritize failure modes. Select applicable and effective tasks to control the failure modes. This is why pharmaceutical manufacturers implement an RCM strategy.